What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough video on the SEA RAY SDX 290. So first thing I want to point out in the back area here is that this boat's equipped with the loungers. I love this option. It's great for when you're pulled up to the sandbar. You have two seats here. Each person gets their own cup holder. You have the strap to be able to adjust the backrest. You also have two storage compartments right here. Great spot. Best view in the house. You have sea deck across the transom, which matches the upholstery as well. We have a gray color scheme going on this boat. Gray hull, gray sea deck, and gray upholstery. It has white 250 Mercuries. We have joystick with those engines as well. As you work your way into the boat, you have your fresh water sprayer. You have 12 volt as well as your fusion radio and a storage compartment. Could be a good spot where when you're at the sandbar, you could load that up with ice, put some drinks in there. That way you don't have to be going all the way up to the front of the boat. So freshwater sprayer I mentioned, just tucked away. Great for as you're stepping into the boat, you can spray yourself off. Keep the mess outside of the boat. Also over in this area too, you have a door which you can close. Here, if you have some kids or pets that you want to keep in, you can close that off. Also, we're on a floating dock here, so you can easily board on either side of the transom. But also, if you were to pull up to a fixed dock and it's a little bit higher up, there is a step right here with some non-skid, so you can step up, be able to board off the boat a little bit higher up. So this is your summer kitchen. This boat's equipped with the grill. If you didn't have the grill, it would just be storage here. You get a sink as well. And a refrigerator. The little freezer area. Also, you get a trash can, just tucked away here with some electrical outlets. There's also dedicated storage for these countertop pieces down there as well. So if you're using the grill, you can tuck those away. So this boat has courtesy lights. We also have the LED lighting strips, which is underneath the seats here. Great if you're going at nighttime or more towards sunset. You can turn those lights on, lights up the boat beautifully. Underneath this back seat, you have access to your batteries, your main battery switch. So moving forward, see you have storage underneath almost every seat, which is great. It's a cutout for a cooler right here, so if you want to slide a cooler underneath as well. And SEA Rays are great for entertaining, so you get the storage, plenty of cup holders throughout, tons of seating back here. You have a mount for a table back here in the cockpit area, as well as one up in the bow. Now you have two large storage compartments that are in deck. We have the bow filler cushion here, your shore power cord, a stern anchor. Just see how large that compartment is. You can put some pool noodles down there or any water toys. Now, moving forward on the port side, you have the co-pilot chair, which can also be moved forward because this is bolstered. So if you want to be lounging aft, or if you want to be facing forward, it's also bolstered as well, so you can set up above the windshield. Got some more cup holders here, smaller storage compartment. It's a good spot for phones, wallets. You have the head compartment with the finished countertop and sink. For a 29-foot boat, it's a good size head. So the captain's chair is bolstered. You also have your joystick right here, which I mentioned previously. With the joystick, you're gonna get the heading hold, which is essentially autopilot, and your sky hook. Now you have all the switches for everything you're gonna be using pretty frequently, as far as lights. You have your windlass control and trim tabs. Simrad electronics, which will be on all SEA RAY models with this beautiful acrylic dash. You also have your fusion radio unit here. as well as that one in the back too. So you got two of those. Behind electronics, you have access for your shore power panel, as well as your dedicated storage for your bow and cockpit table in there. That's a lockable compartment. And moving forward, you have a door here, which you can close off the cockpit area by closing that, as well as the windshield. So that'll help with some wind if you're out for a sunset cruise or just driving around and want a little bit more protection. This is the second index storage I had mentioned, another large storage compartment. Now up in the bow entertaining area, you have plenty of seating up here. The other table mount, which I mentioned, 4 cup holders, more LED lighting up here, speakers so you can still enjoy the music, as well as 2 drop down armrests. It's also nice about this bow area is how deep it is. You feel very secure up here. You have a grab railing on both sides. Then all the way forward, one of my favorite things, a windlass. You go to the sandbar at the end of the day, don't have to haul up the anchor. You got an automatic anchor hauler right here, as well as a freshwater sprayer. So if you pull up the windlass, maybe it has a little mud on it, you can spray it right off with that right here. If you want to see this boat, come by MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Chad. Call us today.